This is Crakrevenue, and in 13 days of the month here, that's $35,000 right there. How do you find top offers? You sort by EPC, like I always say. Like, that's how you find the top ones that you should test. You could sort by different countries that you want to do, different accepted countries or whatever, and just different angles. Because when you do like a tier 3 country, there's no competition in a tier 3 country. United States has more competition, so if you promote United States offers, it's going to cost you more money, it's going to have more competition. It is hard to promote with paid ads the OnlyFans offers, but there is ways to do it that can work. But free traffic for OnlyFans offers is kind of the most effective way for that. But when it comes to like promoting like the top offers, pay per sale is where the most money is. When you're doing cost per lead offers, you want to do cost per lead offers that convert and have no cap to them. So that's just some information right there. TrafficStars, very, very powerful network. There's Traffic Junkie, which is another one. Then there's ExoClick, there's Juicy Ads, and there's more. Like Traffic Factory is another one. Now there's a lot of them. There's Arrow Advertising is another one. But here's the tutorial I'm going to give you of how to do this. So you want to name your campaign name. Let's name it Boobs. And then the banner. Now, banner has a lot of competition. People have banner blindness, but in general, yes, you can make money with this. When you want to do Popunder traffic is very cheap, very powerful, and you don't have to make any ads for it. You just have to send people to a link, and they automatically get redirected to a link. Cheapest traffic in the world is Popunder. Interstol ads, it's kind of like it shows up as a full screen ad, basically. Native advertising, it doesn't look like ads, and they just kind of are there. This can be very powerful, but it's kind of like Popunder, but people have to intentionally click. So it can be a powerful way to advertise because people are intentionally clicking. This one's kind of similar, but more like Popunder. Video ads, they can convert really high. If you've got a good video ad, it has to be below 30 seconds. In all the adult networks, it has to be below 30 seconds. You need it to just convert and be super persuasive, and I highly recommend implement urgency, scarcity around the offer, add a bunch of bonuses. You know, some offers don't allow incentive, I know that, but in general, you want to find ways where you can add more incentive for people to take action. You could do some story selling, like you went through pain, and then that product kind of solved that specific pain. If it's a dating site, let's say you're single or you knew someone who was single, and this dating site changed their life and helped them find the partner of their dreams or something, okay? That's story selling, and that is super, super effective. Now, push traffic's where you get sent notifications to people. You send notifications to people. It's very effective. Let's do a little tutorial for Popunder here. Just so you know, Popunder is the coolest way to make money. You're just spending money. Let's say you spend $1,000 in a week and you make back $3,000, but you didn't make any ads. You didn't make anything other than you sent people to a link. So as I was showing you over on Crakrevenue or any CPA network, all you have to have is an affiliate link. You send people to that link, you make money. It's insane. It's traffic arbitrage, basically. It's like you sending traffic, you make money on the traffic, and you make the difference. It is the coolest way to make money online. Nothing comes close to it. It's the easiest work you could ever do. A method I've always kind of taught people about Popunder, though, and yes, you can get conversions with affiliate offers and stuff with Popunder, but you could also sell the traffic as another method, and another method is sending people to like way of making revenue from AdSense or ad revenue. So like sending people to high CPM YouTube videos. There's a lot of secrets around this stuff. Banner advertising you make a ton of money with, and video. Okay, there are secrets to this world. There's secrets to making money. There's secrets to marketing. When you learn it, you win. You can mess around with blacklist and whitelist before doing a campaign, or you can look at your data after and then make blacklists and whitelists. Okay, of like the sites and the placements and everything. Tags is interesting because yes, you do want to eliminate some tags that are not congruent with the offer you're going to promote. So if it's not a granny offer, you would deselect it basically. So you can select all the tags, or you could deselect all the tags and then only select the ones you think you have an offer for. So if we have an offer for massage, Japan, or India, or whatever, then you can only target those ones. Now when it's this one right here, if you have an offer that's super specific for either one of these, then you would target that. Right now they're unselect. Now down here, this is the mainstream kind of placements. You know, TrafficStars has some mainstream sites. So deselect them or not, basically. Could say, okay, we want mainstream, general, and games. Going down here, scheduling, daytime range, you can literally schedule like specific times of the day. Think about it. Like, okay, let's say you're marketing in the United States. When would people be most likely to convert? In the middle of the day, they're pretty busy, right? In the evenings, they're more likely to convert for one reason, right? Because they're more relaxed. Okay, in the mornings, they may be getting ready for the day or getting started with the day. So daytime in the morning can be kind of too busy for them. But nighttime could be powerful. Think about stuff, okay? But you just market it all if you want to for testing. And you want it to run throughout the day, no matter what. You don't want it to spend super fast, okay? You can add optimizers if you choose. There's a lot of different optimizers you could do, and there's different templates you can do and stuff like that. I usually stay away from this, but you can kind of optimize whatever. Okay, we won't go into that. That's kind of more advanced stuff. Proxy traffic's important to understand. We won't go into that right now. It's kind of advanced for people. If you want to learn how to do it, go over to check out the Mastery Bundle, because that's my only incentive for teaching you how to do this stuff. Sorry, but to learn stuff, you have to pay to learn stuff to change your life. But if we keep going here, you can target specific keywords. You can even do retargeting on people. You put pixels and stuff to retarget people. Super granular and super specific on things like the IP ranges, the model price, device release date, all this stuff. And then you can be super specific on the different carriers and the devices, even like the device brands. But here we go to devices. This is very important. If you're doing a cost per sale offer, I really recommend doing desktop. But if it's mobile, that's okay sometimes. Like people on iPhones are more likely to buy stuff. People on like Android devices are less likely usually. When it comes to tablets, it can be both. Mobile traffic is great for doing leads, but also desktop. But desktop is really good for like getting sales ultimately, okay? So you can hyper target that if you're doing a cost per sale offer basically. Now languages matter, countries matter for sure for the offers you're promoting. It has to be specific. Let's just say we wanted to do a country. You click here and you go down. You're like, I'm gonna target Panama, Peru, and Vietnam. Boom. Okay, and then the languages you may want to do, only people who speak Congo and Yiddish. And that's all you're targeting. And then you go down here and then you go next. This is important here, this process, and there's secrets to how to do this and stuff. It's funny, the name's boobs. Here's the thing, members area traffic. Members areas traffic is people who've paid for stuff. Okay, do you realize why that's powerful? So you could target people who literally are paying and have paid for cost per sale offers. Do you realize how powerful that is? So members area traffic is super high quality traffic, okay? It will cost more money, but man, is it good. Brawn traffic run on network traffic is like super broad, like it can be really crappy traffic, so I try to avoid that one. Prime traffic is where you can whitelist of all the premium like spots that there are. It'll let you select. So let's say your offer is not like a gay offer. Okay, you have to do this and basically type that in and then delete all of this. Okay, if it's not a gay offer, very important to not target any gay sites or whatever. So you go through that and you press XXX out of all of it. And then let's say there's trans sites too. So you have to get rid of those ones too. Why that's important is because you don't want to waste your money on untargeted traffic. Let's say you're doing a straight offer, basically. You want to only target sites for that. Now we're doing Popunder here for this campaign tutorial. So these are a bunch of Popunder sites. Then you can go through and just look. You know, you can be like, okay, is this good? Is this not? So this is a VR one. Maybe you don't want to target VR users. So you go VR, boom, and you untarget VR. And then go through, and you could just see a bunch of, you know, all the placements there's going to be. Now you do want to leave it broad. You don't want to do super specific. Now you see she-mail there. That wouldn't be specific to a straight offer or whatever. But you get my point. You're going to see the data. You know, after you're running the campaign, you're going to see the data. After that, you can make changes and start in your campaign. You can quite literally get rid of certain placements. Just start exiting out certain placements as it's running, because you're going to see which placement is actually converting the most. Very important. So if we go down here, I recommend doing CPM always. You could do CPA, but CPA requires some tracking and stuff. Okay. So CPM, very important. I basically, in all my campaigns on all the adult networks, you want to do a CPM bidding. Now, if you want to just see the difference here, it makes almost no difference, dynamic or standard, but it is kind of a different standard. Dynamic, it just fluctuates all the time. But anyway, when you're doing this, to actually get your campaign approved super quick and get quality traffic, doing premium can be powerful. It can, but you can also meet in the middle. But always do the recommended. You could do minimum and get extremely cheap, but you're going to get like some low ball stuff, but you could do that sometimes. But to meet in the middle here, what would be a good thing in the middle between that? It'd be like $2. So you put $2. $2.11 freaking cents. They put it at even, and that's good. Some of them put it at ASAP. Okay, some networks. So you have to make sure you do even distribution. Now, the daily budget, you can put at 100, you can put it at 1,000, whatever, okay? Whatever budget works for you. And they recommend you do 100 just because that's what they want you to spend. But to test, what I recommend is do times 3 of what the payout is and run it for like a few days. But also, as you're looking at the data in the first day or the second day, you know, you can make changes too. So don't worry about that. You don't have to on the third day make changes. Just make sure your budget lets you get enough data to know, you know, what's working. And you're going to get conversions usually by default, you know, as you're running a good offer and different good offers. You want to make many campaigns. You want to be fast at doing this. And you want to be logical with it when you look at the data. Now you go to next. And right here, this is where, since it's a Popunder, literally all you need is a link. All you need is quite literally just a link, and then you're set. And then the frequency capping, you could put it at 2 or 1, whatever. And this is where you put your link. Literally your affiliate link right here. You could do a tracker and use a tracker to track things. And the cool thing about like Crakrevenue and other networks too, they let you sell your traffic. It's super neat. Like you could put your traffic URL there, And then the backlinks get sold and all this stuff, the traffic gets sold, and it's pretty cool. If you find a way to basically do traffic arbitrage where you're buying all this traffic for super cheap and then you're selling it to another entity or affiliate marketer or just a company you're selling it to for more money, you can make a lot of money just like buying traffic for cheap and just reselling it. That's kind of the ultimate thing here and the ultimate secret. Because imagine you get a client or you have a website you're leveraging or you have some method you're doing basically that you're leveraging to monetize. So you're buying traffic. This is based off every 1,000 clicks basically. So let's say you're spending $2.11 per 1,000, but you're selling it for $4. You're doubling your money every single 1,000 that you're paying for. And this is scalable across the board, dude. So if you can have a way to basically sell traffic or just traffic arbitrage and make a profit off traffic, that's more powerful than affiliate marketing in a lot of ways. Okay, and then you press publish and then you're ready to go and you will make racks. If you want me to do this completely done for you, check out the link down below and I'll completely do it all for you. I'll make the ads, I'll run the traffic, I'll do things the best way I know how, and I'll do affiliate marketing and drop shipping and anything you want. Whatever your ad budget is, I just take a percentage of your ad budget and then I run it all for you and try to make you a good return on investment. And thank you for watching and peace out.